All right, so for today in JP's garage, we're installing an amp. And the first thing is gonna run a amp wire. And over here on the passenger side of the vehicle, you can kind of see there is a hole. All right, so over here on the passenger side, there's a grommet, right? You can kind of see that hole. See the light behind it? Right there. Okay, so here's the grommet I pulled out of the Nissan. Went to Harbor Freight and got a 7/8 rubber grommet. And I'm running 4-gauge power wire. And it will have a little bit of room, and that's okay. We'll come back to that later and address that. But for now. Okay, so on the passenger side, once you remove the glove box here, there is this big ass thing, and there's 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Once you get those screws, you can move this out of the way, and there's like a slice that you can see right here. If I can't zoom in enough, hold on. So you can see that hole. That is where I'll be running the battery wire through. I'll come back here in a second and I'll show you that. Okay, so then I use these nylon cable clamps. I think it's a 1/2 inch. And we got these bolts right here. And then later I'll come back with some smaller zip ties and then zip tie this through here and through around. Okay. So I have my wire routed to the firewall. And then I come down through here by the, what is that? The windshield wiper fluid for the rear. As you can see, just tucked it down here, just through that seat belt, come along the back side. All right, so those 3 screws are 1, 2, and 3. And this is what the SV Plus looks like when you put that, whatever the hell this thing is, back. This is not a how-to channel. This is what I'm doing channel. So after tucking the wire behind the seat here, as you can see, I'm gonna run them on the styrofoam up through here and back out that way. Okay, so I got these little zip ties holding the battery cable in place. I'll mount this somewhere later, and you probably want to bolt your bolt to this top part right there. It looks clean as it's gonna get. Can't even tell that there's a power wire. And of course I'll probably throw some jails back here. And I just fished it through the seat. And there's a ground somewhere underneath back here with a seat belt. I'll more than likely use that.